Zoom keeps adding features that make meetings more collaborative and productive. Now there's Zoom Docs, a built-in workspace where teams can plan, write, and collaborate without leaving Zoom. Paid Zoom plans are required to use AI Companion for meeting summaries inside Zoom Docs, but accessing Zoom Docs itself is easy. Here are the main ways to open it. From the Zoom app, click the Docs tab to view your existing documents or create new ones. Next, after a meeting, if you're the host, click My Meetings. You can pull AI-generated summaries or transcripts from past calls and drop them into a new doc for continued collaboration. Lastly, during a meeting, click More option at the bottom. Right then, click the Docs icon in the meeting controls to open or create a document in real time. Zoom Docs is great for immediate collaboration, but it's designed to stay inside the Zoom ecosystem. If your workflow spans multiple tools, you might need something more flexible. That's where Tactiq helps. Tactiq works across Google Meet, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams, capturing live transcripts. It also uses AI to instantly generate summaries, action items, and follow-up content. You can export them directly to your favorite workspace. These include Google Docs, Notion, Slack, and more. Try Tactiq free at tactiq.io, and don't forget to subscribe for more Zoom tips.